Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Hello, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Grand Combat Daily Combo for October 6 and 7, 2024. Okay, the first card is C. Okay, this one. Si buy 51% of Bitcoin. Okay? And then for the second one, go to this one. This one, section, text section, and then find the card which is this one. Si AI integration. Okay, this is the second one. And then for the last one, okay, go to team section and find the card which is C, view card which is set up virtual office. Okay. Okay, let's buy. And then, here we go. Today I received 500 grand coin. Okay, let's claim. Okay, here we go. This is the best 3 pick card for Grand Combat